Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kripali Shah here, a consulting endodontist across Mumbai. So today I would like to talk to you about two important topics. One is why it is essential for you to wear your face mask properly. Secondly, why it is useless for you to wear hand gloves. So before starting, I would like to convey a very important message. Please understand, relaxation in lockdown is given by the government. Corona hasn't given any relaxation. So please do not step down your house unwantedly. If it is extremely essential for you to go down, then please follow proper safety measures. Preferably use a cloth mask rather than using a surgical mask. Let's keep the surgical mask for the doctors and nurses. Now there are certain do's and don'ts for using a face mask. So how do you wear your face mask properly? Firstly, wash your hands thoroughly before touching the mask. Second, inspect for your mask for any dirt or damage. Third, your mask has a wire on top of it. Place the wire such that it faces the nose, and the wire should adjust or should adapt to the bridge of your nose properly. Fourth, make sure that the face mask covers your nose, mouth and chin completely. And most important thing is your face mask should cover all the there should be no gaps which should be left around the face mask. Now comes the don'ts. So what you should not do when you are wearing a face mask. Firstly, your face mask needs to be clean, so make sure that your face mask is not dirty. Second is your face mask should not be placed below your nose, so it should cover your mouth completely. So if it is below your nose, then the purpose of using a face mask is all gone. Make sure your face mask is made up of a breathable material, and mainly your face mask you should not share your face mask with others. It's like a big no-no. Now comes how do you take care of your face mask, as in how do you place your face mask when you come back home. So after coming back home, you have to first wash your hands thoroughly before touching your mask. Then you have to pull out to the straps of the of the mask, and then pull it over your ears, moving it away from your face. That's how you remove your face mask. Then how do you securely keep your face mask? That is, you take a plastic or a paper bag, a reusable one, which can be resealed also. So you place the face mask into that bag if it is not dirty, or if you're planning to reuse it for that same day. When you're removing it out of your face mask, you have to pull it via the straps. And if you're using a cloth mask, then you should use soap or detergent to wash it, preferably in hot water. And at least wash your face mask once in a day. So these are the certain protocols which you should follow when you are using a face mask. Now let's see why it is pointless to wear hand gloves. So hand gloves are used to avoid cross-contamination. For example, a doctor wears hand gloves to examine a patient and then discards it before seeing the next patient. So if you are wearing a set of hand gloves throughout the town, you are only transferring germs from one place to another. For example, you touch your mobile, you touch your wallet, you touch your door or your car, or the money or exchange which you get, or groceries, etc. You are only transferring germs from one place to the other, or everywhere you go. Therefore, to all those people who feel wearing hand gloves is helping them or protecting them, it is not. You are only wasting your money and the supplies for those who need it the most, like your doctors, nurses, etc. Therefore, do them a favor. Do not wear hand gloves. Keep sanitizing your hand after every stop. There is no point wearing a same set of hand gloves everywhere you go. That's it for today. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.